For me, it's important to get back involved with my peers and see what they're doing, really. That's most importantly. Also to see innovation from suppliers and general trends, and seeing, for example, attending seminars and finding out information about what's changing in the market.
I think it's very important to attend the facilities show due to the fact that I'm still preparing to learn, even at my age, of what's out on the network, etc. I also want to develop myself and be smarter at working, and I enjoy, sad it sounds, but the seminars, and you learn something every day.
It's incredibly important, really, just to keep abreast of all the trends that are going on in the industry, keep in touch with the suppliers, networking, and CPD as well, really, for all of the legislation changes and technical innovations that are happening currently in the industry.
Very easy to get to, and the good thing about coming into London is there's an opportunity to do a number of other things while you're here. So being within the capital, it's not just about attending the show, you can do other things as well.
It's in the centre of what is basically the corporate UK PLC. It's more convenient for me to travel, even though I'm not based in London, straight in, across on the tube and into the show. It's a better venue as well at the ExCeL.
It's a joy now to drive up to London, or get the train up to London, let it take the strain, as they used to say.
I think there's going to be a lot more multi-skilling needed within the trade. IT is becoming the norm, so not only do you have to have engineers that can change light bulbs, but they have to be able to work the computers, they have to be able to work their smartphones, they have to be able to work their devices, and a lot more technology, particularly in wireless, for monitoring devices. So pumps and boilers and things can be monitored a lot more efficiently now without the need to hardwire devices, appliances.
I think trends in this particular market, will see a continued trend in energy management and also in the low carbon living and working space. We'll see BIM becoming part and parcel of expectations of managing facilities, and I think and hope that we'll see some of the soft landings approach to building management, so closing the performance gap between as designed and built and in operation. So hopefully we see a trend from the designers and architects talking to the people that operate the buildings and making sure that they're compatible.
The buildings themselves and the heating and ventilation of the buildings, the cost really of our overheads, we've got to manage, shall we say, better than we've ever done. And we need to value our employees, and therefore desk space, the actual design of the building, making sure that it is ready for everybody and that keeps everybody happy.